Hey guys, this is the 70 Maya dash cam. It's a T800 4K. Let's check it out. Nice box. We've got our SD card here, user manual, some window guards, 3M sticky for the front and one for the rear. All right guys, there is the main camera right there. Everything is very well packed. There it is, 4K. You got a 4K front camera and a 4K rear camera. And there's the in-cabin camera. This captures everything inside the cabin, and this rotates. Front camera also rotates up and down. Here's the rear camera, 4K Ultra HD. 4K in the rear and the front. That's pretty cool. This swivels as well, so you can adjust it. So you got your 12-volt plug. You've got another sticky installation tool for the wires. This helps you tuck the cable in around the headliner. Here's the cable that runs to the rear. Here's the cable for the front. All right, there it is. It looks great. All right, let's get it plugged in and hooked up. Let's do it. Pull out the SD card and get that installed. There it is right here. All right guys, we're gonna plug in the power here. There we go. SD card goes here, power button. All right, let's get it set up. We're gonna do English. We're gonna download the app now. Formatting the memory card. We got the app downloaded. All right, formatting successful. And now it's working. It's recording right now. We're gonna put it on the windshield and take it for a drive. Let's do it. All right, I think I know where I wanna stick it. It's gonna be right there. And we're gonna put it right there. Hey, we got it mounted. It's looking pretty good. It's looking real good. Let's go ahead and hook up the rear camera. This is the front. We're gonna connect it up here. We'll be able to tuck them up in here, no problem. And you can see our camera. You can see the in-cabin camera here. There we go. So this is the in-cabin camera. And you can adjust it up and down. There's the outside front camera, and we're gonna hook up the rear camera now, so we'll have 3 options here in a minute. All right, let's get the rear camera hooked up. And we're gonna go right there. And you can adjust this 360 degrees. I want to be able to see the bed, but I also want to be able to see the road. Let's go ahead and run power to it. All right, let's hide these cables. Just follow your headliner around, tuck them in there. If you need a little extra help, you can use this tool. All right guys, there it is. It's installed. The cables are hidden nicely in the headliner. We're ready to go. Let's take it for a ride. You can see we have all 3 cameras hooked up now, and you can scroll through them right here. There's the rear. So we can see the bed. We can see inside the bed, and we can see the sky, and we can see the road behind us. Now we can adjust that if you want to adjust it down a little more to see the bed more, if you're carrying cargo or anything like that. There is the in-cabin camera right here. And there's the front camera. And you can see all 3 of them on the screen. It's pretty cool. You can access everything on here from your app. You can view the videos that have been recorded. You can share them, download them. You can change the settings. It's pretty cool. All right guys, let's go for a drive. You can see how clear already everything is out the front windshield. It's absolutely crystal clear. It's a beautiful day out, and you can see everything. You can see all the cars, you can see the signs, the sky. It's awesome. It looks great. All right guys, some of the main reasons why you want to get a dash cam. Well, speeding tickets, red light tickets, car accident, someone trying to break into your car, hit and run. I mean, these are all things that can happen at any time. Hopefully they don't ever happen to you, but you know, I've been driving since I was 16, and I've had a couple accidents in that time. I've been hit in the rear several times over the years. Yeah, you know, the T800, it's going to capture anything that might happen, and it captures everything all the time. It's always on. It's always recording. When you're in the car, as soon as you turn on the car, it's recording all 3 channels, front, rear, and in the cabin, which is really cool. So you're covered. It's like insurance, you know. If you get a speeding ticket and you weren't speeding, you could fight that in court with the footage from this camera. Red light cameras, they send you a ticket in the mail and you want to fight it, you can fight it with this camera. If someone hits you, if someone runs into you and damages your car, you've got the footage to prove that they did it and that their insurance needs to pay for it. One of the really cool things that the T800 does is the 4G connectivity. You can connect the 4G kit, which is this thing right here, which we're going to connect later. I've got to get an AT&T SIM card for it. But when you hook this up, it is connected 24/7. It's always on. So if someone walks into your car, they try to get in, break into your car. Let's say you park your car at the airport, or you park your car at a concert, or at the grocery store, somewhere where you're not in the car, at the movie theater. If someone bumps into your car when you're in the movie theater, it's going to send you an alert, and you'll see it right away. And you can use that for your insurance claim. It's pretty cool. So I'm kind of excited to get that hooked up. I just need to get the SIM card for it, and we'll get that hooked up and try it out. But right out of the box, you can have this thing hooked up and running in just a few minutes. I mean, it's really simple to hook up. So I would definitely recommend this one. I've tried a few. I've used a few dash cams, guys, and this is really a really nice dash cam. No doubt about it. Guys, you need to get one of these. Click on the link in the description. There should be a discount code. Let me know if you get one. Guys, it has amazing night vision. Check out the in-cabin. It looks crystal clear, as well as the front and rear crystal clear night vision technology. All right, guys, make sure you download the app. It only takes a few seconds, and you can get it on your phone or any Wi-Fi device. And that way you can access all the settings on the dash cam. You can look at your videos, you can look at the cameras, you can look at all the information and all the settings. You can change settings within the dash cam on your Wi-Fi device. I like going through and checking out the videos that I've just done. I can look at stuff and check out the videos. I can delete videos, I can download them. It's easy to download. Make sure you check it out. Alright guys, check out 70 Maya T800 4K dash cam today. Click on the link in the description. Let me know if you get one. Later.